Today guys, I show you how to download and install DaVinci Resolve 19. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your browser and type like me DaVinci Resolve 19 and you will see this first site, open it and scroll here down. As you can see, DaVinci Resolve free download now. Just click on it and choose here DaVinci Resolve 19 or DaVinci Resolve Studio 19. Choose here Mac, Linux, Windows or Windows ARM. Choose here like me, Windows, click on it and create fast account. After you do this all like me, go here register and download, click on it. And you will see thanks and save your installation and wait for download. After you download DaVinci Resolve 19, just open it and you will see this. If you don't have WinRAR, just watch this video. When you install WinRAR and open this installation, just move to this and open it. Wait for this and you will see this new window. Just wait for this. After finishing that, you will see another new window and go here install. Just wait for this installation setup and you will see this. Go here next, check this and go next and install. After installing DaVinci Resolve, go here finish and you will see installation complete. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and install DaVinci Resolve 19. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.